Felt 2012 Custom. I got ODI Barnes and grips, pink lenses, Tektro brakes and brake cord. I got some green Felt 2012 handlebars. I got the 2012 Felt stem. Then I got the FSA headset. I got 2012 Felt fork, and then I got the Odyssey tire 2.35. I got the C303 rim on both. Then I got the Felt 2012 old frame, and I got animal seat and seat post. I got Haro pedals, PC pedals, cranks, Felt cranks, 2012. I got the new sprocket from Felt in 2012. The normal Felt chain. I got a Felt Chasm 2012 front tire in the back. I got Felt pegs, the front and back, and I think that's it. My 2013 Aeronauts Custom. Okay, so I got Odyssey power ends with clear Odyssey Aeronauts grips, and Odyssey Springfield monolever with Odyssey quick slick cable, and an Odyssey Sunday freeze stem with I think an Odyssey headset integrated with the new Aeronauts forks with Odyssey quadrant rim and Odyssey 2.35 tire in front. And then I got the 2013 Aeronauts EX frame with a stolen Thermalite seat post and the Aeronauts, his signature seat, with Odyssey Springfield brakes and the new Chase Hawk sprocket with Odyssey 12 bolt cranks and twisted PC pedals. I got some bad junky old Haro pegs back here. Odyssey Vandero hubs in front and back. And another Odyssey quadrant rim with a 2.10 Odyssey tire. And that's my bike check.